In this video, I will share to you about how to make U-shaped commercial building in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make rotate rectangle to make the base plane. We can place to this origin, and we can set the length of this building. We can set the length of this building around 45 meter or 50 meter. Enter, and then we can drag to the behind around 40 meter. And enter, and now we can click this triple outline and we can select offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 10 meter or 15 meter. Okay, sorry, we have to offset it inside around 10 meter and enter, and then we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and we can use 2-point arc to make the curve in here. Okay, we can double click, and also in this building, and then we can double click, and then we have to push it to the upper position, or we can make the another curve in here with using the tape measure tool in here, and then we can select the 2-point arc again, click from this position until this position, and also this one, click from this position until this position. Okay, then we have to push it up around 1 meter and enter. And then we can triple click, right click, make group, and also make component, create, and then we can select move, press Ctrl, and press to this position, and then we have to push it up, move it up around 3.6 meter, enter. Okay, then we can duplicate this one. We can duplicate it above until this floor, until 1 2 3 4 5 floor and 6 floor with the rooftop area. And now we can make the another elements. We can make the glazing element with using this one. Then we can triple click and offset it inside around 1 meter and also enter. Then we can click the surface, select edit, copy, exit from the group, and edit paste in place, and we have to push it down until this position. Okay, then we can get the basic shape of this U-shaped curve of commercial building. Then we have to triple click, make group, and we can enter for the group again and activate the height rest of model. Okay, then we can using this selection tool. We can just select this line and select this line. Okay, we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 35 slash and enter, and it will be automatically be the vertical line over there. Then we can select this line and select this line. Okay, we can select the both of these lines, select a move, press Ctrl, and place. We can select a move again. Okay, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 18 slash and enter. Okay, then we can select this line, select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 18 slash and enter. Okay, then we can complete this surface, and we can select this line, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 45 slash and enter. Okay, approximately like that. And now we can assign with the another material. We can assign with the glazing material in here, and we can also make the another facade element. We can just select the rectangle, click from this corner until this corner, and also we have to push it to the front around 500 millimeter, and push it to the side around 500 millimeter also. And then we can click this line, select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can push it to the another side, approximately to this side around 10 meter, enter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group, and we can push it up around 3 meter and enter. Okay, and maybe we can just push it down until this position approximately. Okay, then we can triple click, make component, create. Okay, then we have to move and press Ctrl to the another side, and then we can mirror it on based on the red axis, and then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Okay, and we can also push it up until this position to make the another variation about it. And okay, then we can select the rectangle in here to make the base plane, and we can scale it as we want. And then we can also make the another element with using freehand tool to make the landscape element in here approximately just like this. You can explore more about the landscape. It just for example to explore the landscaping around this building. Okay, you can also explore on the inner area of this building to make a grid landscaping in here. It's just for example, so you can explore more about it. Then we can select landscape and assign the grass material with this position. And okay, now we can assign the asphalt material with using asphalt material and adjust for the light, adjust for the darkness level of over there. And now we can set the another elements. We can using the another color of it. We can using this color, and we can adjust about the color composition about it. We can adjust this one with using it, and then we can also adjust for the another side materials with using this one to make it more grid and better presentation. And we can also make the another vertical elements. Okay, we can also make the another vertical elements with using rectangle. We can click the rectangle, we can make the rectangle from here and push it to around 300 millimeter. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group and make component, create. Okay, then we can select, we can rotate this one and duplicate, and we can select rotate tool and assign, and then we can position, then we can move the cursor to the edge of the curve, and we can place instantly to the midpoint of this curve to make the base plane. Then we can press Ctrl on our keyboard, click from this object and place to this object, and then we can type 30 slash and enter. I'm sorry, it's too much. We have to repeat it again. We can rotate, select position to the curve and click this one and place to this position, and then we can type 15 slash and enter. Okay, then now we can select the color. We can assign the color, okay, with using the another materials with the another color. Okay, approximately just like this, or we can assign to the another position about it. Okay, we can make this position, and we can also select this object and make it to be one group, and then we have to mirror and duplicate it. Then we can select move, press Ctrl and place this position, and then we can mirror it to the red axis, and then we can select move and place to this position. Okay, or we can just assign with the same materials of it. Okay, we can assign the material with using this one, and or maybe we can select the darkness more material about it. Okay, and don't forget to add the component with using component sampler, and we can select the tree, and then we can place this position, and we can select the materials. We can select the materials and assign with the green glass materials. Then we can select move, press Ctrl and place to this another position, and we can assign to the appropriate position of landscaping. Okay, then we can activate the shadow, and we can also activate the style to be a white style like this to make it more representative. And I also can set the dark level of darkness of this building Okay, I mean it was sophisticated color in my opinion. Okay, we can assign the color just like that. Okay, thanks for watching. You can explore more about this design of U-shaped commercial building, and you can create this more detail about this building with your own exercise. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.